Okay, guys, so we need to set up our game so that we have a ready room, the game room. If we hit something or if something collides with us that's supposed to take a life away, it works. It takes us back to the ready screen. We see that we've lost a life, and yada yada yada. End the game if we lose all lives. So here's what we need to set up. I made a dead guy sprite. I just duplicated my good guy, made his eyes X's. I turned him into an object. There he is, dead guy underscore SPR. And let's see, there's a couple other things that you'll need to create. A couple other objects you'll need to create. So let's see here. This is my ready room. Object ready. Ready guy. Okay. Ready guy OBJ. I don't know why I called it ready guy, but I need a ready object. I'm going to add event draw. Let's see here. Under the draw tab, I'm going to go to draw text, the letter A, the big letter A. Text is going to be whatever, get ready. It's going to be relative to the position I put it. I'm going to choose a font. And I think I made a font. Yes, I did. I bet it's really small. Hopefully it's not. I'm going to align it center. And I'm going to choose, oops, the paint palette. I'm going to choose the color red just so it shows up nice for me. Okay. Then I'm going to add event keyboard spacebar. Spacebar is relevant to that arcade machine. That's one of the several buttons that's on it. There's more that I'm going to have you add later, but for now just add spacebar. Okay, so there's the spacebar. And then you're going to choose under the main 1 tab, very bottom left under rooms, it says different room. And you're going to choose go to your playable room, which I named mine game room. So there it is. Choose an effect if you want. And then I need you to choose, or excuse me, then I need you to, what is that? Well, that's my lives object. I put my lives object and that get ready thing both into the ready room. So when I run my game, it'll say get ready. If I hit the space bar, that object reacts and it'll take me to my game room. And that's my lives object. My lives object, oops, down here. I think I had you all do this. It has a creation event, sets lives, draw images lives, and I made sure that you all had it persistent today. I believe I did. And that is also in the ready room. Persistent means it'll show up throughout the game in that position, I guess, so you might want to position it where you want it to show up in the room. Then, let's see here. I need you to make a game reset object. An object that will just tell the game that it's over and it needs to reset to the coin up screen. So that way when they lose all the lives, it goes back there and they have to put in another quarter to play. So game reset object, blue ball, right? Don't have a sprite. Doesn't have to be visible or solid or persistent. You can leave those all alone or whatever. I'm going to add event, step. And in my step event, I'm going to choose under the main 2 tab, up top, the 3 Z's. It's a sleep timer. I chose 4,000 milliseconds, which is just 4 seconds. I think it's always true. Just leave that alone. And then restart game. Under that same tab, main 2, there's the green arrows, restart game. Okay. Now, I have a ready room, coin up room, game room. The game room is the playable area. And let's see here. End game room. So if you don't have the end game room, create a room, call it end game. And in that room, put in your, whoopsie. Put in your game reset object. You know what? That game reset object, it'd be a good idea to have something that says the game is over so that it notifies the player. So I'm going to put in a draw. Draw. Big letter A to draw. Okay, text is going to just say game over. Relative to that position. Choose the font. I guess that's it. The only font I have. Center it. Yep. Color. I like red. Color of blood. Okay, there we go. So yep, step event, sleep, 4,000 milliseconds, restart the game. And I put that into my end game screen. Okay, I have that all set up now. Excuse me. Lives objects, that's okay. Good guy object. I have a collision event with whatever. So a bullet hits me, a bad guy hits me, or I hit a bad guy, or I run into a building, for example. I'm thinking about CJ's airplane game. I want to change instance. So under the main one tab, change instance. This applies to self because I'm on my good guy. And I'm going to change the instance of my good guy into my dead guy. Okay. Then, under my dead guy object, oh dear, let's see here. I want to add a step event. Step. Then, let's see here, my step event. I'm going to put a sleep timer in, so main 2 tab, sleep timer. I'm going to make this 3,000, so just 3 seconds. Under the score tab then, after 3 seconds, it's going to take away 1 life. So new lives is -1. Relative needs to be checked. Every time that I turn into the dead guy and the sleep timer goes off, I lose a life. And then I need to test my lives. If lives are equal to 0, I don't need to mess with anything here. Then I'm going to either go to the end game screen or the ready screen. So main 1 tab, bottom left corner, it says different room. First one I'm going to choose is end game. I'm going to drag that same action in, and this time I'm going to choose ready room. Okay. Should have this set up to go now. I'm going to test my game and see if all is well. Number 3 to enter a quarter. Get ready. Space bar to get ready. There's my character. Oh, there's the bad object, which does nothing, but there's my lives. And bam. Oh, I turned into a bad guy, or dead guy. I can't move. Timer went off. I'm back to the ready screen. I see visibly that I've lost a life. Space bar. Still 2 lives. It's still good. I hit the thing. Oh, I'm dead again in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and bam. 1 life left to live. Space bar again. Playing my game, shooting my buildings, shooting the kitty cat, whatever. Oh, I'm dead again. And uh-oh. Whoops, well, it did take me to the dead screen, although I didn't see, or end game screen, but I didn't see the word, the text end game. I wonder why that didn't show up. But it did restart my game. So all was well, all is working. I'm going to save this. Let's see, arcade number 2 is the name. I'm going to attach this with this tutorial video, so in case I miss something, you can open it up and tinker with it and see what I did or what you need to do. And that's it. Good luck. Peace out.